Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Jazz bulb. Start by opening the bonnet, locating the back of the headlamp assembly, and removing any protective covers. Wear gloves to protect the bulb and avoid fingerprints. Carefully unplug the wiring connector, release the bulb retainer, and install the new bulb securely. Reconnect the wiring, replace covers, and test the light to confirm proper operation before finishing. Begin by opening the bonnet and finding the headlamp housing behind the lamp unit. Remove any plastic cover or clips to expose the bulb socket, keeping parts organized. Unplug the wiring connector, then release the retainer or twist the bulb out as required for your model. Handle the old bulb carefully to avoid breaking it, and safely dispose of it following local guidelines for electrical waste and glass. Choose the correct replacement bulb and ensure it matches the original part number. Use gloves or a clean cloth to avoid touching the glass of halogen bulbs, as oils can shorten lifespan. Insert the bulb into the socket, secure the retainer or twist it into place, and reconnect the wiring harness. Replace any covers or clips, then test the headlight to confirm proper alignment and operation before closing the bonnet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.